Now, starting with exercise 11.4, when we are starting with this exercise, what we see in here is these are the list of formulas that you're going to be using for the examination or solving this particular exercise. So it's talking about sphere. What is a sphere? It's a circle from all sides. Okay, there's no proper base for it. And so for the circle, the volume formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube is the formula for it. Next, in the sphere, you only have the curved surface area because there's no proper base or a different shape base is not there. So the curved surface area is the only surface area that you have. So that is, there's no total surface area in it. So it is taken as 4 pi r square. Its total surface area and the curved surface area is one and the same only for the sphere. Going to the hemisphere, a hemisphere is half of a sphere. Okay, and at the bottom of this hemisphere you will see that there is a circular base of it. Okay, it will have a circular base. Now, in the hemisphere, you will have the curved surface area. You will have the curved surface area plus the base area, which is called as the total surface area. So TSA is nothing but the curved surface area plus the base area. So the whatever the CSA is, that to that another circle area is added and it becomes 3 pi r square. Okay, and then the volume of the hemisphere will be half of the volume of the sphere, which is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Cool until here. Next, we are going to start solving the questions. There's one more cylinder formula which we will do it as in how we do the exercise. So going to the first question, it says find the volume of the sphere whose radius is 7 centimeters, and in the second subdivision it is given as 0.63 meters. Okay, now let's start solving it. So the volume formula of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So it becomes 4 by 3. Pi is 22 by 7 into r is 7 into 7 into 7. 7171. You're left with this 88. 3 times of 49. Multiplication part, you have to do it and you have to write it down. That's pretty easy for you by now. It is 143.73 centimeter cube is the answer for this one. The second subdivision is r is 0.63 meters. So the volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Again and again I'm writing the formula so that it becomes easy for me to learn it. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.63 into 0.63 into 0.63. 7 one times. 7 table 63 will come, but 0.9 it will come. Then 3 one times and 3 will come 0.3 times. Okay, this to multiply 88 it becomes, and then I need to start multiplying all of this. When I'm doing it, this multiplies with this. 63 multiplied by 3. I'm leaving the decimals, only the numbers I'm taking and multiplying. 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18. 1 place, 2 3 places. 1 2 3. So start counting from the right, go in the direction of left. So this becomes 0.189 times of these two are this is already done, these two. This is left 0.63. Let's multiply these now. So it goes as 0.189 times of 63. 3 9s are 27. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 2, 26. 3 1s are 3 plus 5. 2 will be 5 plus 6 9s are 54. 6 8s are 50. 6 8s are 48. 48, 53 it will become 53. (88) times of 0.3. No, 0.3 times of 0.63 over 0.189 times of 0.63 is equal to 11907 into 88 is equal to 10.47. Okay, now I was checking the calculation myself because I felt like somewhere I might have done any mistake or something with the calculator. I went and checked in again because I did not want to post anything wrong. Now, going to the second one, the first question that is given to me here is, find the amount of water displaced by a solid spherical ball of diameter. Okay, suppose there is a beaker. In this, they are putting a ball of spherical diameter. Okay, the diameter is given as 28. So, how much of water is going to get a flow out of this particular thing when I drop a sphere? It will be equal to the volume of the sphere. Okay, equal to the volume of the sphere will flow out when I drop a sphere in it. Okay, so nothing but he's just confusing and asking you the volume of the sphere. So volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube is the formula. Now diameter is given to me as 28 centimeters. The radius would be 28 by 2, that is equal to 14 centimeters. Now substituting in here, 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 into 14 is what I get here. 7 ones are 2s are. So that is, this all will multiply first of all. 88. 88 times of 2. 88 times of 2. 16, 176. 176 into 14 by 3 is what you're left with. So multiplying all of it, nothing can be further divided or cancelled. So 176 times of 14. Calculations will be a little difficult in here because you have the cube. So 7 4s are, I'm not doing the calculations in here. I'm just leaving it. 176 times of 14 times of 14, that's going to be 34496 upon 3. So now when you're doing the division, 3 times of 34496, 3 ones are 3, 1s are 3, 1 and 4, 4s are 12, 2 and 9, 7, 9s are 27, 2 and 6, 8 times it goes 24, 2 and 0, it goes 6 times 18 and it will continue. So the answer is 11498.6 centimeter cube of water will be displaced when I drop one sphere of radius 28 centimeters. Now, moving ahead with the next question. Yeah. Moving to the next question that is given here is the same question we asked to find the volume of this when the sphere is displaced, but here the diameter of the sphere has been changed, and what has been it has been put to 0.21 meters. Again, decimals is what they are asking in here, which becomes quite difficult for us to do. So the second sphere is of the diameter 0.21 meters is given in here. Okay, so the radius is equal to 0.21 by 2. I would keep it like this, start simplifying it. So volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube is what I have here. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.21 by 2, 0.21 by 2, 0.21 by 2 is what I have. 2 2s are, 2 1s are, this is gone. 2 1s are 11. 7 1s are 0.3 times. So 11 into 0.3 into 0.21 into 0.21 by 3. 3 1s are 0.1, it becomes again. So it is 11 into 0.1. So 11 into 0.1 would be 1 1. The answer would be 1 into 0.21 into 0.21. I forgot to write. So this part is 1.1. 11 into 0.1. Now this into 0.21 I'm doing. This part. फिर 0.21. So let's do this. 1.1 into 0.21. 1 1 plus 2 2. 1 3 2 1 2 3. 3 decimal places to the right. So it is 0.231 into 0.21. Again multiply this. So 0.231 into 0.21. 132 plus 264. That's it. 1584. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. It comes here. There's no digit in here, so I have to take it like that. Okay. 0.04851 meter cube of water will be displaced when I am trying to displace it, when I put it into a beaker, is what I understand in here. Okay. Three places. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah. Now, going ahead with the third question, it says that the diameter of a metallic ball, okay, a ball is there. As I told you, I'm going to write it down always and draw the figures. 4.2 centimeters. What is the mass of the ball? Mass is being asked in here. Now, this is something different because we learned CSA, we learned the volume, but we did not learn the mass at all. Now, then further it says, mass is what is the mass? If the density, they have given the density also. Density of the metallic ball is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube is what they have given. This is what is confusing now for the students when they look at it for the first time. Direct formula was asked, CSA was asked, students could have done it. But density, mass, diameter is given to me. So how do I do this now? There's a formula for density. Density is equal to mass by volume. Okay, so first what we are going to do is, because he asked us to find the mass, I need to have the volume and the density. Density is given, mass I don't know, volume I don't know, so we can find the volume, but mass we cannot find out. If I have these two, then I can find the mass. So volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. R is equal to 4.2 by 2, that is 2.1. So volume 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 times of R is 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1. 7 1 times, 0.3 times, 3 1 times, 0.1 times. This becomes 88. 88 into 0.1 into 2.1 into 2.1. This becomes 8.8, I think. 88 times of 0.1 becomes 8.8 times of 2.1 times of 2.1. Let's do this now. 8.8 times of 2.1. 8 and 8. 16. 176. 8. This becomes 8 and 1. 2 decimal places. So it is this. 18.48 into 2.1. Now let's do the multiplication for this. 18.48 times of 2.1. 8, 4, 8 and 1 plus 16, 2 8 is 16, 4, 2 4 is 8, 9, 2 8 is 16, 2 1 is 2, 3. So it is 8, 10, 9 9 18, 8 3. How many decimal places? 3 decimal places. 1 2 3. So it is 38.81 centimeter, or 0.8 centimeter, you can also take it, centimeter cube. Now I can find the mass. I know the density, it is 8.9 is equal to mass upon volume, 38.808. So here, sending it towards the other side, it becomes 8.9 into 38.0808 is equal to the mass. I am not doing the multiplication in here. Mass will be in grams for here because it is gram per centimeter cube has been given here. So 8.9 times of 38.808 is equal to 345.3912 grams is the mass of the sphere that I have here. Okay. Going ahead with the fourth question, it says that the diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Okay. Moon is equal to 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Okay, I'm writing the statement in here. What fraction of the volume of the earth is the volume of the moon? This is about the diameter. This information that is given is about the diameter to me here. Now here it's asking what fraction of volume of earth is to the volume of moon. Okay, so first of all I need to calculate the volumes for both of them. Both of them are spheres. Fine, it's kind of a ratio question that you have. Okay, so first moon is given with reference to the earth, so volume of moon upon volume of earth nikalenge. We are going to find it like that. Since they both are spheres, 4/3 pi r cube. This is going to be a bigger radius, so I'm going to write it as capital R cube. 4/3 pi r cube and r. Now I need to know the radiuses for this. If let's consider, I know now the volume of moon by volume of earth is equal to small r cube by capital R cube. But do I know the radius? I do not know. Diameters I know. Let diameter of earth, because earth को moon का बोला गया है with reference to earth, तो earth का अगर x होगा तो moon का x/4 हो जाएगा. That's why I'm taking is equal to x in here. Okay, then its radius is going to be likewise x/2. Diameter of moon is equal to 1/4 of earth, it said. So 1/4 of earth. Okay, so that is, it becomes here x/4. Then the radius of moon will be how much? Radius of the moon will be x/4/2. So this goes down, it becomes x/8. Now I know the radius of earth and the moon. I'm going to substitute it now. Volume moon by volume earth is equal to r cube, small r cube. This is the capital R that I have. Okay, earth, this is capital R, this is small r. So this goes here, x/2 whole cube, and this goes x/8 whole cube. So this becomes x cube by 8 cube into x cube by 2 cube. So it becomes, this goes up and this goes down. Now students would be like, how? Consider a/b is one fraction and c/d is another fraction. Denominators will change their positions and it will become a into d by c into b. Remember this. Okay, so x cube into 2 cube by x cube is already there, 8 cube will come down, x cube is gone. 2 into 2 into 2, 8 into 8 into 8, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, this is gone. So it is 1/64. So volume of moon by volume of earth is 1/64. Now then I know volume of moon is equal to 1/64 of the volume of earth. What is the fraction, he said. So I'm sending this towards the other side. It becomes volume of moon is equal to 1/64 parts of the volume of earth is what I get in here. Okay, so now moving on to the next question. Now from here onwards we are starting questions with respect to the hemisphere. So here it says, how many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeters hold? Okay, so the diameter is given to me as 10.5 and it is talking about the hemisphere. Okay, so quantity of liquid or how many liters is being stored in here. So what we understand, that means it is talking about the volume. So volume of hemisphere is equal to 2/3 pi r cube is the formula. Diameter is given to me, radius is not given to me. Implies d is equal to 10.5, radius is equal to 10.5/2. Keep it like that. We'll do it. Start 2 by 3 times of 22 by 7 times of 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2. 7 ones are 7, 1.5. 3 ones are 0.5. 2 ones are 11 times. This can be written as 1 by 2 into 10.5 into 10.5 by 2. They both multiply, become a 4. Here, 10.5 into 10.5. 5 fives are 25. 2, 5 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 0, 1. There's a 1 here, I missed it. 5, 2, 1, 1. 2 decimal places here. So it is 11, 0.25 is what I get here. Now again, I need to divide by 4 to get my answer. The same number. Okay. So 110.25 divided by 4. 2s are 4. Yeah. 4 2s are how much? It's going to be one mistake I've done in here. It is 11. I took it as just 1. I missed this 11. So there's 11 also in here. So I need to multiply this all. There's 11 here as well. I need to first multiply that and then multiply with 11, or either way we can do it. So let's just divide this, then multiply by 11 later. 4 2s are 8. 8 and then 3, 0. 7s are 28. 2, bring it down, put a decimal because we started the decimal part now. 5s are 20. 2, 5. 6 are 24. 1, decimal is already there. 8, 2 times 8. 2, 5s are 20, 0. So you're left with 11 times of 27.5625. The division part is gone now. It's only the multiplication now we are supposed to do. 275625 times of 11. 526572 plus 526572. 5 7 8 11 13 8 10 3. So it is, the answer is 3031875 with 4 decimal places. 1 2 3 4. 4 decimal places in here. Now this needs to be divided by 1000 because this is in centimeter cube. Okay, now I need to convert into liters. So 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 by 1000 liters. So centimeter cube, whenever you're converting into liters, divided by 1000. So this decimal place will shift 3 places. 1 2 3, it shifts to the left because it's in division. So 0.303 liters would be your answer. You're not going to write all these numbers. That's it. This would be your answer here.